Arguments that are supported by 3 points are scientifically proven to be more persuasive than arguments that are presented using just 1 or 2 or even 4 points. In fact, there was a great research paper written called 3's the charm and 4 is the harm. In this video, I'm going to reveal the secrets behind the number 3.
Mark Rodgers for Dealernews magazine. Sales success in 60 seconds or less.
If you want to dramatically increase your persuasiveness, what you should do is you should give 3 reasons that support your point. And you should say to your prospective buyer, you know, there are really 3 reasons why this might be the motorcycle for you. Now, why does this work? First, we love lists. When you tell someone that there are 3 reasons for something, they will tune in and follow right along as you make your points. The second reason is that we love to get information presented in 3s. Psychologists have no idea why this is so. And finally, when you tell your prospective buyer that you've got 3 reasons for something, it skyrockets your credibility. You know, your 3 points don't have to be brilliant. You just need 3 points. Your mind will probably give you the first 2 very easily, and your brain will have to scramble for the third. But don't worry, much like a muscle, the more you use it, the better you get. Now, go sell something, will you?